In this video, I'll guide you through how to send reminders in Docusign so you can keep your documents moving and avoid having envelopes sit unsigned for too long. Let's start from the main Docusign home dashboard. This is the first page you see after you log in. From here, look toward the top of the screen for the option labeled Admin. This is where all of your account level settings live, including anything related to how your envelopes are sent, tracked, and managed over time. Go ahead and click on Admin to open your administration settings. Once you're in the admin area, you'll see a navigation menu, usually along the left side of the screen. This menu is organized into different categories such as user management, branding, and sending settings. And what you're looking for is the section related to how documents are signed and sent. Find the area called signing and sending. If your screen is narrow, you might need to scroll a bit to see it. When you find signing and sending, click on it to expand that group of options. Within the signing and sending section, there will be several settings that control the signer experience and the life cycle of your envelopes. Look for the option labeled Reminders and Expiration. This is the place where you control how often Docusign nudges your recipients and how long an envelope stays active before it expires. Click on Reminders and Expiration to open those settings. On this page, you'll see options that let you configure reminders and expiration rules. The idea here is simple. Reminders help make sure your signers don't forget to complete their documents, and expiration settings prevent your envelopes from staying open indefinitely. First, focus on the reminder settings. Typically, you'll see a way to enable or disable automatic reminders. When reminders are turned on, Docusign will send follow-up emails to your recipients if they haven't signed yet. You can usually choose how many days after the initial send the first reminder should go out and how frequently reminders should repeat afterward. For example, you might send the first reminder 3 days after sending the envelope and then repeat every 3 days until it's signed or expired. Think about how urgent your documents are and how often you want to nudge your signers without overwhelming them. Adjust the timing so it matches your workflow and communication style. Next, look at the expiration settings. These control how long an envelope stays available for signing before it automatically expires. Here, you'll generally be able to set the number of days from when the envelope is sent until it expires. You may also see an option to send a warning email a certain number of days before the envelope actually expires. This can be a helpful last reminder for your signers, especially for time-sensitive agreements. You can either rely on the default reminder and expiration values provided by Docusign or customize them to fit the needs of your organization. After you've adjusted both the reminder schedule and the expiration period to your liking, make sure to save your changes. Saving is what applies these rules to new envelopes that you send from your account. And that's all you need to do. By going into admin, opening the signing and sending section and selecting reminders and expiration, you can quickly set up a reminder schedule and expiration timeline that keeps your documents on track and your signers informed.